Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree Sharma. In this video, we will know about the addition and subtraction of like fractions. As we know, like fractions are those fractions who are having the same denominators, or we can say two or more fractions who have the same denominator values. They are called to be as like fractions. So the example of like fractions can be 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. These both are the example of like fractions because they have same denominators. So in this video, we will know that how to add and how to subtract two like fractions. Okay, so first start with addition of two like fraction. But before I start this, first I'll take one situation so that you can relate the situation with this topic. Okay, so what happens? Two people generally become friends when they have some similarities, or we can say when two people have some common habits or common tastes, then they become friends, right? So they need not to change those common habits as these habits are same between them, right? So similarly, this same we will do here. If I'm talking about what similarities these two fractions have, so that is these denominator values. It means these denominator values are same. So it means in the case of like fractions, we need not to change these denominator value, or we can say we need not to add or subtract the denominator values. We will simply add the value of numerators in the case of like fraction, in the case of addition of or subtraction of like fractions, and rest we do not change the value of denominator. It means we will not add or subtract them, it will remain same, right? So let us do this question. So this is 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Now what we will do, as I have told you, we will not change the value of denominators, it will remain same. So we will write 5, and then what we need to do, we will only add the values of numerator of two fractions we have given. So that is value of numerator of first fraction is 2 and the value of numerator of second fraction is 4. So what is this? This is 6 by 5, right? So this is very simple to add or subtract the two like fractions. This same we will do in case of subtraction, but first we will do some more sums of addition of like fractions, right? So let us take one more example of addition of like fractions. So the example can be 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, right? As they have the same denominator values, it means they are like fractions. Now how we will add them? We will not change the value of denominator because it is common. So we will not change this due to these common values, or we can say due to these common value of denominator, we call them like fractions. So that's why we will not change this. So it will remain same. And what we do next, we add the values of numerator of given fractions. So first numerator value is 2 and second numerator value is 3. So it will be 5 by 7, right? Now quickly we will take one more example. Suppose these are the two same like fractions. So it can be 3 by 7 and 3 by 7, and we want to add these two like fractions. So how we will add them? See, now here this we will not do that the values of numerators are also same, so we will not add them. No, the value of numerator will always be added, but the if the value of denominators are same, then they will not add it. Okay, so we will write 7 only one time we can say we will write the denominator only once, and then what we have in numerator, write them, that is 3 plus 3. So that is 6 by 7. Right? So what we have done in case of addition of like fraction, हमने देखना है, first we will see that denominators value are same है, so it means वो like fraction है. Then we will write only once the denominator को एक बार लिखना है, उसे add और subtract नहीं करेंगे. As in this case, this is a question of addition, so हमें यहाँ पे 7 plus 7 14 नहीं करना है. We will write only 7 because that is common, and due to this we call it like fractions, call them like fraction. So what we will do, जो भी numerator values है उसे add करना है. So that is 3 plus 3 6 by 7. Right? So this is the addition of like fractions. The same we will do in case of subtraction of like fractions. Okay? So let us start with subtraction of like fraction. So I am taking one example, like it can be 13 by 2 and 11 by 2. So these both are the like fractions. Now here we want to subtract these two like fractions. So how we will do this? The same we have done in case of addition. There we have done addition. Now here we will do subtraction, right? So how we will do this? Same, because the denominators value are same, denominator values are same, so we'll write it once and then write the numerator value as it is. Put whatever sign we have. Here it is plus, so we have put plus sign. Now here it is minus, it is a question of subtraction, so we will put subtraction, the sign of subtraction, and then write the second numerator value of fraction. So it will be 2 by 2. So we can simplify this. We can divide it by a common number. So these both values are dividing by 2. So it will be 2 times 1 times 1. So answer is 1 here. Right? We can write 1 as fraction. We can write any number as fraction. We can simply put 1 in denominator, as we know 1, it will not change the value of fraction or number because 1 by 1 is 1. Right? Now let us take one more example of subtraction of like fraction. So it can be 9 by 11 and 7 by 11. Right? These are the like fractions again. So what we will do to subtract them, we will write denominator as it is and then write the numerator value what we have, that is first is 9, then minus sign we have given, then second numerator value is 7. So it will be 2 by 11. Right? So in this way we do the addition and subtraction of like fractions. So I'll repeat it again, that what we simply do in case of like fractions, when we have two like fractions, so we simply add or subtract the numerator values what we have given. We need not to change the denominator values, or we can say we need not to add or subtract the values of denominator. Right? So this we have done in this addition and subtraction of like fraction. Thank you for watching my video, and in my next video I will explain about the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions.